to my channel, make sure to watch the full video so you can see how the nails turned out. Here I'm just showing you guys the materials that I got. You don't have to use everything that I used. They're optional, but I just wanted to spice my nails up a bit, you know, so I got extra stuff. In case you do want to go for the nail design that I went for, you will need the UV lamp to cure the gel polish of course, crystals, and the tools to pick them up. The thing I like about these nail holders are they're magnetic, so you can take one off and work on an individual nail if you wanted to. Here I'm just making sure that I've filed the nails down correctly. I did this off camera because I forgot, but you have to buff the nails, the surface of the nail, so that the polish could stay on, and file the edges to make sure it fits your nails. Right now I'm putting Play-Doh on the nail holders so I can make the nails stick, and I honestly recommend getting putty instead because the Play-Doh, no bueno. I've got all the nails on the holder. Now I'm gonna put the base coat for the gel on the nails. You want to make sure that your nails are on there like really, you know, tight and secure, because you don't want it flying off in the middle of painting and then you gotta pick it up and then it's a whole mess. You might want to fast forward a couple seconds because it's basically just me putting on base coat. I don't think you guys are interested in that, so just fast forward. As you can see here, the nail flew off because it wasn't sticking, which is why I say definitely get you some putty. Play-Doh is not it at all. After I've put on the base coat, I'm putting my nail in the UV lamp to cure. There's different settings on there, but I usually put it for the 99 seconds to make sure it's really done well. Little nail hack for you. You can use regular polish underneath a gel top coat and it will look like real gel. So this is regular polish that I'm using, and I'm just going to end up putting the gel top coat over it so it's sealed and it looks like acrylic. I ended up having to do this nail over, so that's why I'm putting it in the lamp by itself. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and put the first coat of gel on the nails. Y'all might want to fast forward because I'm basically just painting. If you know what that looks like, you know what that looks like. So you can go ahead and fast forward to the next part. But if you chose not to skip this part, let me know in the comments what you think of this nail design. And let me know if you guys want to see any more of these videos. Oh, and comment cherry. Yeah, comment cherry. Here I'm putting the nail back on the stand so that all the nails could be together. Right now I'm just eyeing the design of the other nail so that I know exactly what I'm going to use. Right here I'm just putting a top coat of gel on the nail with the regular polish so that it gives it that nice shiny acrylic look and it won't chip. I did 2 coats in total. Now I'm putting on a second coat of gel on all the other nails. This is that second coat of gel that I was talking about, just to make the nail look really shiny. You can do as many coats of gel as you want, depending on the look that you're going for. I honestly don't remember how many I did. I believe it was 2. Now, this is important. Make sure to put gel on the ends so it doesn't chip away easily. So now it's time for the top coat. This will act as a sealer for the gel, and it will also act as the adhesive for my jewels. Okay, so to be honest, an issue that I had with using the gel to glue down the crystals was that it's really watery and it wouldn't stay still. As you can see, I was struggling to get that thing in the middle. So if you want to use nail glue, you can. It would be quicker, it would stick, but you wouldn't have as much room to fix your errors. When it's on there, it's on there, so keep that in mind. Alright, so when it comes to attaching the jewels now, you use the black tweezer to pick up the bigger jewels, and then the little white crayon pencil thing, you pick up the smaller jewels with that. You just tap on the bottom of it, actually just tap on the top of the jewel, and then place it down on your nail. Bing, bang, boom, easy. So my phone decided that she wanted to die in the middle of my video. Disrespectful. But here's the finished look. I love how these nails came out. They don't look as pink on camera, but I swear they're baby pink. They're so cute. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos, because I'm definitely going to make them. Thank you for watching.